Hello and welcome to this video, guys. Hyping tech as usual. We're going to be hyping it, and we have, of course,
your boy Tony.
And we are looking at today some gadgets and ideas, because at the moment with the current situation, everything's a mess.
Yeah,
you want to keep everything nice and clean. You want to make sure your mobile phone is the main thing you clean, because that thing harbors bacteria like no man's business. So I've got a couple of ideas here for you that will actually help you keep your phone in pristine condition. So not many of us, well, I do, but I don't know how many of you regularly give your phone a good clean, because every time you put your charge port in your charger, you're kind of pushing dirt into there and it's getting dirty. You can use those cotton buds or earbuds to clean it, but Amazon has an 18-piece cell phone cleaning kit, which is actually quite handy. What it comes with is a few little brushes, a few little cotton swabs, and it gives you a nice little block as well, so you can actually block out the bottom of your charging port.
Wow.
So that's something to keep an eye on. It's reasonably priced, to be honest. £5.49 is a good price. You can push it up a bit with this cleaning solution as well to clean the actual display. And
what you can do is, I just realized, because some people who get phone have a gel case. You take the gel case off and put it on the screen. You can still access your phone. You can use your phone. Like, you can swipe left and right and touch apps.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
that's quite a good hack then.
So like, if you eat like chicken or something, your hands get greasy. All you do is just change the cover on the other side.
Flip it around. See, that's what we're hyping tech. Tony brings that to the table. We give you some amazing tips. Okay, that's a good tip there, bonus one. And the main thing you want is a good screen cleaner, because when you're swiping on your phone, those marks are there. So maybe once a day, possibly when you get home and you're about to put your phone on charge, just get a solution, spray it, give it a wipe. That's only $7.99. So I think, again, that's something you can use on a laptop, a tablet, and even your computer monitors. There's different types available which are bacteria resistant as well, and kills 99.9999 germs in the UK apparently, and it's made in the UK. This kit is a proper intense one though, because what you can do is, if you know your stuff, there's some screwdrivers here. So if you wanted to give your phone a proper refurb and a clean, you could actually take it apart with this kit, and it's like a suction mat where you can take it apart. I don't know how brave you are.
Forget that.
We have got plans. We have been talking to Apple, who have been sponsoring us on a number of these videos. They're going to be sending us an iPhone 24. We're going to break it apart and we're going to clean it. Because that is coming.
But by cleaning, we mean breaking.
And because of the corona situation, we've had to delay that, but it is coming. Keep your eyes peeled for that video. And this kit actually is not bad. It's $9.99, which I think is a good price. You get a full layer of like different maneuverable things that you can open it with. And the last one is something not phone related, but it's basically sludge and gunge. So if you have keyboards, a lot of the time stuff drops in, so you can actually use it and it picks it off. I think Crazy Russian Hacker did like a thing about it. But that was a quick look at gadgets to keep your mobile phone clean. And make sure to go onto Amazon and check those out. I might include some affiliate links in the description, so check those out. See you on the next one.